If you're a Florida resident new to Medicare and are considering either a Medicare Supplement or a Medicare Advantage plan, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Matthew Clausen with MedigapSeminars.org. I'm an independent insurance broker helping people with their Medicare decisions from coast to coast. Each state is unique in how they price their Medicare supplement plans and the quality of Medicare Advantage plans that are available. Florida is unique in three ways. Florida is just one of 4 states that require their Medicare supplement plans to be priced with issue-age standards. Now, issue-age standards means that your premiums cannot increase each year just because you're a year older. However, the prices can increase due to inflation. Expect your insurance premiums to increase by 2 to 4% in most cases. On average, across the country, only 3 out of 10 seniors choose a Medicare Advantage plan over keeping original Medicare and adding a supplement. However, those statistics are skewed by population concentrations and average incomes. Most people who choose a Medicare Advantage plan do so because they're on a fixed or limited income. Florida is one of the states with a higher than average Medicare Advantage enrollment. Still, 6 out of 10 Floridians choose to keep original Medicare and add a Medicare supplement rather than choosing a Medicare Advantage plan. And the reasons for this are simple. Medicare Advantage plans do not offer as much insurance coverage as keeping your original Medicare and adding a Medicare supplement, any Medicare supplement. So those that can afford a supplement will typically get one due to the higher insurance coverage. Medicare supplement plans are standardized, so you get the exact same coverage from state to state, from insurance company to insurance company. You're not required to be part of a network. You can see any doctor that accepts Medicare. You don't need a primary care physician to screen your appointments with specialists. And your maximum financial risk can be limited to $0 or just a few $100s a year. Medicare Advantage plans are not standardized. They are simply regulated to provide a minimum set of coverage approximately equal to having original Medicare Parts A and B. You will be limited to a network and you will have higher copays and deductibles when you get ill. And your maximum financial risk, your maximum out-of-pocket expense when you do get ill will be larger than if you have original Medicare and a supplement. Still, when you compare the quality of Medicare Advantage plans in Florida to those across the country, Florida has some of the best available. The third point is that the Medicare supplement plans in Florida are priced differently and often higher than in most states. And in some ways, the pricing relationships between the benefits and the cost almost defy economics. In most states, for example, Plan G is a better value than Plan F. In many parts of Florida, that is not the case. In Florida, the plans that you should focus on are Plan F, Plan N, and Plan F High Deductible, or Plan F HD. Medicare Plan F covers 100% of your expenses. Other than your premiums, you should have no out-of-pocket costs for your Medicare expenses. Unfortunately, in Florida, Medigap Plan F is very expensive. It can cost twice as much as the same plan in other states. Here in Florida, a Medicare Supplement Plan F can cost $2,000 to more than $3,000 a year. The high price of the Medicare Supplement Plan F is what makes the Medigap Plan F High Deductible so attractive. For those new to Medicare, you can often pay less than $900 a year and get the coverage of a Plan F with a maximum out-of-pocket expense that is often less than or close to the standard Plan F premiums. Now, I have an article on Plan F High Deductible as well as a video on Plan F High Deductible. If you're researching Medicare supplement plans in Florida, the video and the article on the Plan F High Deductible are a must-see. Now, this leaves us with Medicare Supplement Plan N. Now, Medigap Plan N is the unsung hero of Medicare supplements. It packs a lot of coverage into a very low-price package. On average, a Medicare Supplement Plan N will save you 25 to 35% of your premiums over a Plan F, which can equate to $600 or more a year. So how is Medigap Plan N different than Medigap Plan F? Well, Plan N is different than Plan F in three ways. First, with Plan N, you have to pay the annual Medicare Part B deductible. For 2016, that Part B deductible is just $166. Only Medigap Plan F and Plan C actually pay that Part B deductible, and those two plans will be discontinued at the end of 2019, and thus as of 2020 you will not be able to purchase either a Plan F or Plan C. Medigap Plan N and all the other supplements require you to pay that annual Part B deductible, and again for 2016 it's $166. It's well worth the cost savings over a Plan F. The second way a Medicare Supplement Plan N is different than a Plan F is that with a Plan N, you'll pay up to a $20 copay when you visit a doctor. Also, if you have an emergency room visit, it will be a $50 copay unless you're admitted to the hospital. Now, for those who see a doctor just a few times a year, that $20 copay is well worth the savings that you get with the Plan N premiums. The third and final way that Medicare Supplement Plan N is different than Plan F is that Plan N does not insure against Medicare Part B excess charges. Now, typically this will scare people until they actually realize how inconsequential this can be. Now, when a doctor chooses to work with Medicare, they can either accept Medicare assignment or not. 97% of the doctors who work with Medicare accept Medicare assignment. And with Medicare assignment, Medicare assigns the rates that they have to accept when they see a Medicare patient. So only 3 out of 100 doctors that are working with Medicare do not accept assignment and can therefore charge an excess charge. All you have to do is ask your doctor, do you accept Medicare assignment? Odds are 97 to 100 that they do, and if so, then this portion of Part N that is inconsequential. If your doctor is one of those 3 out of 100 that do not accept Medicare assignment, simply request that they bill you only Medicare assignment rates. More often than not, the doctors will accept this in order to keep the patient. There you have it. If you're considering a Medicare supplement to add to your original Medicare, in Florida, at least take a look at Plan F, Plan N, and Plan FHD. Outside of Florida, also at least take a look at Plan G. We have a separate article and video on that plan as well. Now, to find the best prices for each of these plans of all the companies that offer them, all you need to do is complete a quote request. It's linked on the top of this video here, and we'll email you the quotes for the best price plans in your zip code. If you're more interested in a Medicare Advantage plan, then use the Contact Us form to contact us for details. Medicare Advantage is under a different set of rules with the Centers for Medicare Services and actually require us to go through some hoops before we can talk about the details of the plan. MedigapSeminars.org is an independent insurance brokerage. We're not employed by any insurance company. We offer all Medicare supplement plans and, in Florida, the top Medicare Advantage plans. This gives us the freedom to represent your best interest. Our mission is to provide you with enough information to make an informed decision about your Medicare. So thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe below to see more of what we have coming. I'm Matthew Clausen. Thank you for watching.